Yeah, beauties, I did it again. Can you see this beautiful hair? I made this with just 2 rows of Brazil wool. Nobody's gonna know. If today is your first time of stopping by, welcome. My name is Jasmine Royo. Let's dive in. I'm going to go ahead to unroll the wool on the chair because I know the measurement already. If you want it shorter, you can use something shorter so you can get the exact length you want. I'm going to still cut it into 2 equal parts. So I'll be combing the hair with bigger comb first. After combing it, I'm still going to comb it again with a smaller comb, and make sure you brush thoroughly so it can come out natural. This is my wig cap I'll be using for this tutorial. I'll go ahead to wear it on the mannequin head and then use some office pin to secure. This is my eye pencil. I'll be marking out all the places I'll be crocheting. This is beginners friendly because this will help you know the parts you'll be crocheting in the wool, so your work can be neat and uniform. Right now, I'm going to crochet following the lines I marked out earlier. So guys, if you've been watching my video, I know you know how to crochet right now. It's so easy and simple. Each time I want to crochet at the top, I always make sure to use measurement tape so they can come out equal. Why I'm using the measurement tape is because I wouldn't want some to be shorter and some to be longer. So if you are following this process, you find out that everything is equal and it will be easier for you to trim and bob. Alright, this is the middle. You see how I'm measuring it to make sure the length is uniform. Okay, this is the front. I'll be using smaller strands. So this other space that is left, I'm not going to crochet right there. I'm going to use my hair to cover it up because I want it to come out natural. So guys, it's time to put it in hot water. This is my conditioner and my boiled water. So guys, I'm doing this because I want it to be silky and soft.
You will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
This is my heat protectant. I'm going to spray around the hair. This heat protectant prevents the straightener from damaging the hair. You don't want your hair to be damaged, so this is why you have to apply this first, because the hair is so soft and can get damaged easily. Are you seeing how it's coming out? Please make sure you use slow heat on this. If you're still watching and you have not subscribed, sis, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think in the comment section.
You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change.
Are you seeing this hair? This is bone straight. It's burning. So right now I'm going to use the same heat protectant to spray it down below, and then I'm going to bob.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close.
Okay, right now I'm going to cut out this part because I'm going to use my hair to cover this area particularly so it can look natural. So this is why you need to get wool that matches with your hair color. This is my wig comb clip. I'm going to sew 3 of them, 2 in front and 1 in the middle.
But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again.
Today I will not be braiding my hair. I'm just going to pack the hair and then I'm going to bring out some parts in the front that I'll be using to cover the wig.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight.
So this part I'm braiding now is the part I'll be clipping the wig on. I did it on both sides. Alright guys, it's time to try the hair on. Let's see how the hair turns out, guys. Oh my goodness. So are you seeing how I'm clipping this? It's so easy, anybody can do this. This is the simplest hair ever.
Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight.
Wow guys, look at this hair. Nobody's going to know it's wool. Nobody. Like, it's looking so natural. This is so light, silky. You can use any type of comb for this hair. If you like the video, drop a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.